Let's take a look at these examples. This time we're supposed to convert the number, binary number, which has whole part and fractional part. So what we're supposed to do first, we're supposed to write the weights over every single bit. So I have 1, 2. And the weight for this bit, because it's on the right side of the point, is supposed to be 0.5. Next, I'm supposed to add all weights which are above ones. So I have 2 plus 0.5. My answer is 2.5. So this is my decimal value, which is equivalent to my binary value. Let's take a look at this example. Again, we're supposed to convert the binary number to the decimal. We have to write the weights over every single bit. So I have 1, 2, and I have this time 0.5, and I have 0.25. Again, anytime you want to convert the binary number to decimal, you're supposed to add the weights which are above ones. So I have 2 plus 1 plus 0.5 plus 0.25. So I have 2 plus 1 is 3, and I have 0.5 plus 0.25 is 0.75. And this is the solution to my problem. This binary number. Again, we have weights 1, 2, 4. And I have 0.5, and this is 0.25. We're supposed to add the weights which are above 1 only. So I have 4 plus 1 plus 0.25. 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 0.25 is 5.25. So this is my decimal value, which is equivalent to this binary number.